Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today I will be showing you okay, how to find stocks to trade for like in 2020, well, September, like 2022. You could do like whatever the heck you want, but I'm just gonna be giving you a screener. We're gonna be talking about Finviz.com in today's video for day trading or stuff like that. So let's go ahead and go ahead, type in Finviz.com, then go ahead and click on screener. And I'm this video will not be that long. I will just giving you the settings. Everything will kind of be right here into the descriptive sector. No, I'm just kidding, bro. We're gonna be talking about all you need to do is just go right here and click on all and just follow me, or you can go like at the end of the video and just kind of screenshot that, and everything will be fine. But for those of you who are kind of new and who don't know like what am I going to be feeling, I will be just explaining everything that I feel. So let's just get straight into it. The first thing will be the market capitalization, and where you can find it right here you can see we have market capitalization, and it shows you that it equals to the total dollar market value of all of a company's outstanding shares. And what we want to fill in right here with this filter will be that we want it to be just small, okay, from $300 million to 2 billion, just like that. These are the stocks that we're going to be kind of trading. We're left with 1,000, literally like 2,000 stocks, okay. Next, what do we want to fill out will be the price in this for like first column, and the price, like basically like the stock price and where the stock is sitting at the moment, under $10, okay, under $10. We're going to be looking at stocks that are under $10. Just gonna find it, yeah, just like here. We are left with 643 stocks, and there are three more things that we're going to be filling. The first thing will be the float. What does the float mean? It just means that the float is number of stock shares that are available for trading to the public. That doesn't include shares held by like insiders. Okay, so how many shares are there on the market that we can trade? You want to fill under to like under 20 million. Why just 20 million? But you can go like whatever the heck you want. You can go under 10 million, but that's what I like to do. Then the next thing will be the R volume, or like relative volume. It just like shows you is the volume like above, or we want the volume to be under like one or stuff like that. But the main thing that we're going to be feeling well, like right here, for the R vol to be over 2, and it basically shows you, it says that it's a ratio between the current volume and 3-month average intraday adjusted. And basically, if it's above 1, like it is 1, I mean 1.5, it's 1.5 times the previous like volume. And like the higher the number, the better the volatility is, and better the liquidity. And like what are we going to be feeling for it to be over $2, okay? And we're left with only 4 stocks at the moment. And there is one more thing that we're going to be feeling, will be the average volume. Average volume, it is going to be over 300k. And let's just hold it, we're going to like that we are left with some kinds of stocks right here. Average volume over 300k, and we are left with 2 stocks. So these are 2 potential stocks that we could trade. Okay, both of them are down. You could be kind of trading them, but I will not be looking for this. You can basically kind of change the RVO to 1.5. You're gonna left with 14 stocks. You have a lot more opportunities right here. For example, this could kind of break out through the structure and squeeze, not squeeze, but push to the upside. And that's about it. So you can go ahead, kind of find these stocks if you can like want to trade them. But that's about it. That's about this like for the video. Everything, as I said, is in the descriptive sector. So go ahead, screenshot that, and that's about it for today. Peace out, guys, and have a great day for the rest of your day.